Okay, so we just finished editing a quiz. So the next step is, adding a screen. Okay, this is really when you're maybe adding some information to an existing subsection. And it's important, this is only about existing subsections. It's not about creating new subsections because there's a lot more involved in that. But say you're adding extra text and you go over the current number of screens that are available. You've just got too much text to add. Sometimes it would be useful to add in a new screen that's just adding on one extra page to an existing subsection. So let's go in and try that. Right, so here we are with our authoring screen. And let's look at who's this course for. Now, if I had more text to add here, and I wanted to extend it so that there was a 1.1 who is this course for continued, then I would want to have another page. Now the only way, well, there are several ways to do it, but the easiest way for you to do this is, first of all, in this right hand side where it says personalize your basic screen, click on the checkbox that says share this screen in your library. So you click on save, and basically that makes a copy of the screen that's held within the internal library. And that allows you to access and make copies of that screen elsewhere. Now, I want the screen to appear underneath, following it. So what I do is, you can see how it says at the top here, add different things, basic screen, assessment screen, advanced screen, so on and so forth. Well, I want to add a basic screen, but it's not quite a basic screen, it's a basic screen from my library. So when you move the cursor to the right, you can see from library opens up, and you want to click that. And you see a list of all of the screens that have been saved previously. Now to find the screen, I'm going to have to type in the name that I used to describe it. So who is the course for? And I'll search for it. And you can see there it is. Who is this course? You won't see a preview of it, but just click on select. Now the screen's refreshed, so I need to open up my folder again. But who is this course for? You can see it appears here. And who's this course for below it is an identical copy. So what I can do now is edit that page, the second page. Who's this course for? Now, this is my second screen in the same subsection, so I have to write continued in there. And then I can delete the existing text inside here, and I can make changes. And add some more text. Oh, when you come to editing, please don't delete that part where it says introduction part 1 of 2, because that's really your progress bar indicator telling you where you are in the course. So you're only changing the text between there and the title really. Okay, and that's it. If I save, that's us with a new page. You can see 1.1, who's this course for, continued. One very final thing. I don't suspect that you'll need to do this, but it's possible that you might at some point. If you have a subsection that has multiple screens, maybe 5 or 6, you can actually change the order by clicking on a screen title here and moving it around, either into another section or moving it into just another place in that current section. I would say that you could only really do it if you're moving within the existing subsection, because if you move it somewhere else, so for example, let's move it up to there between 1 and 2. If you move it somewhere else, then that means its title changes, its progress bar changes, and they all involve, well, significantly additional steps that's probably not worth covering just now. So you've got who's your course for, you can see it's the continued is there. The next one, screen 3, is now the original screen 2, who's this course for. Okay. So you can just drag and drop those. I'll put them back in the right place. And that's you added a course. No, added a page or a screen even. Okay, brilliant.